Hello friends, good morning. So, first of all, welcome to Embedded Pathashala. I am Sai. I am working as senior firmware engineer in one of the core companies. So, today I will present you about this course structure, what is Embedded Pathashala, who we are and what courses we provide and roadmap on how to become an embedded software engineer. So, yes, welcome to Embedded Pathashala. And at Embedded Pathashala, mm, we are basically a team of engineers who are currently working in embedded domain in core tech companies. So we have engineers who are working in automotive domain, connectivity domain, core ARM processor level domain, and other embedded hardware related and testing engineers. So basically, we have found a barrier between the students and the corporates. There are multiple students who want to enter into embedded domain, but there are certain barriers which restrict students from entering into their embedded jobs. First thing is the training what students get on embedded systems. So second thing is the pricing for the embedded systems. Third thing, the job market for the embedded systems. So first, let's discuss one by one the training part. So you already know there are multiple training institutes which provide courses on embedded systems, right? But still, majority of students might not be aware of these trainings, or there are some other barriers which are restricting them from taking these courses. So at Embedded Pathashala, we are working on a mission to provide the fundamental knowledge of embedded systems considering various domains, not only restricting to one particular domain. Like, see, for example, if you take any particular training institute and you want to learn embedded systems, you only get a chance either to learn the Cortex hardware level programming, microcontroller level programming, if not Linux side, and such kind of things. So, and also the prices are expensive. We understand because a minimum training costs around 30 to 40,000 at any institute. This is expected. So, to avoid this pricing barrier and give you the industry level knowledge, example, the tools we use in industry, the curriculum we follow in industry, and basically to provide you hands-on with the real relevant technologies that are actually used in the embedded domain industry. So we have prepared this curriculum in such a way that the courses we provide will meet the industry level standards. So if you are a beginner in embedded systems and you want to enter into the embedded domain engineers, you are at the right place. We provide the courses which are as per industry standards. And coming to the pricing, we know we know that the pricing uh, is for embedded system courses what you are learning at institutes is bit higher. I agree. So to avoid that barrier, we ensure that most of the basic level introductory level trainings what we are going to give, we are going to keep them at free of cost. So every student who want to learn embedded systems, the pricing should not be a barrier. So that is our main motto, and you can always follow our YouTube playlists and the Google Classrooms what we create. So we will ensure the trainings led to be free of cost. Second thing, yes, once you are knowledgeable or once you got hands-on with introductory level, then you can proceed with intermediate and advanced level trainings what we give. And for these advanced and intermediate level courses also we ensure that pricing leads to be very minimal. So we ensure the pricing cost around 500 rupees max. So we just want to ensure that pricing should not be barrier for learning. And then you might ask why we have kept pricing, just to ensure the seriousness of learning. You know, when we pay for something, we ensure that we take most of it. That is what we want from our students to do. So That's the reason we are keeping a minimal price. And also, if you feel like 500 rupees is bit more, or I, you might not afford, you can always reach us for support with your college ID card. And if you are a student, we are going to provide additional level discounts also. So this is the part about pricing. So now, do you think why should now your next question is, when there are multiple embed training institutes, why you should choose Embed Pathashala? Answer is very simple: our content. It just be See, the main advantage of learning from Embed Pathashala is you are learning from engineers who are already working in the industry in their respective domains. We have engineers from who are working in automotive domain, engineers working in medical domain, connectivity domain, and the hardware level domain, testing engineers, everyone. So basically, when we create courses on embedded systems, we know what we are exactly working in the industry. So this will help us to prepare content in such a way, keeping the freshers in mind. So once you complete these courses, you will have exact understanding of what we will be handling over there in the industry. So you please rest assured you are in the safe hands. We are going to provide the content as per the industry level standards. Also, we are keeping in mind that you are a absolute fresher or a beginner who want to enter into embedded domain. So that's the reason we divided the courses into three phases, which are basic, intermediate, and advanced. In basic level courses, you can get the complete overview of what is the system and the what it is exactly. For example, if you are taking courses in Linux development, which includes Linux system programming, kernel, device driver, embed Linux, and these things. So the basic foundation for this Linux is system level programming. So we have already kept that course for free of cost. So please go through it, and then you will understand what will be the roadmap for becoming Linux embed Linux engineer. And then if you really like it, please go for our intermediate and advanced level courses. Second, all the courses will be theoretically explained and practically shown, because most of the institutes will neglect the theory part. But as a beginner, when you are entering into embedded domain, theory part is extremely important. So please do not neglect any theory part. We will give you lot of theory things. So please maintain a book and a pen. So please note it down everything in a sequential manner. And second thing, please do not skip any of our lectures. Please follow them in a step-by-step manner. So where we will give you multiple tips for interviews, programming questions for interviews, and other related stuff. So this is an introductory video. In the next video, I will provide you complete information on the courses we provide and roadmap to become an embedded software engineer. Thank you.